In today's video, I am going to teach you how to filter internal traffic in Google Analytics GA4. Filtering internal traffic is important because visits from you and your team can inflate page views, conversions, and engagement. By setting this up correctly, your reports will better reflect real customer behavior. Start by signing in to Google Analytics and land on the Analytics home screen for the property you want to manage. From here, look to the lower left corner and click Admin. This is where GA4 keeps the settings that control data collection and reporting. Inside Admin, go to Data Streams. Data streams represent where your data is coming from, like your website or app. Choose your web data stream by clicking the stream name in the list. This opens the stream details, where you can adjust tagging and measurement settings for that site. Next, click Configure Tag Settings. This area contains advanced options related to how your Google tag behaves. Scroll until you see additional options. Then click Show More so the full list is visible. In that expanded list, select Define Internal Traffic. You are now in the section where GA4 can recognize traffic from internal sources, typically based on IP addresses. Click to create or edit the internal traffic definition. In the fields provided on this screen, enter the details needed to identify your internal visits. Take your time here and confirm the values are accurate, because this definition is what GA4 uses to label internal activity. When you are finished, save your changes so the internal traffic rule is stored for this data stream. After defining internal traffic, you still need to control what GA4 does with that traffic. So go back to Admin again. This time, click Data Filters. Data filters are where you can activate filtering behavior for certain types of traffic, including internal traffic. In the Data Filters area, find the internal traffic filter and set it to Testing. Testing mode is the safest way to start, because it lets you verify that internal traffic is being identified correctly before you fully exclude it from reporting. Once you have selected Testing, confirm the selection and apply the change. At this point, internal traffic is defined, and the filter is in testing mode, which helps you validate everything before making it permanent. And that is all there is to it.